And we're back Sunday morning. Let's get these clusters working. Let's go. So yeah, just uncovered there. Need to get that repaired. That'd be a smart repair. So there's a few little marks on her. Everyone's moaning at me about my clickbait picture. Apologies. But I think it'll get the views up. But hey, I was advised by another YouTuber. And also, the dailies let us down. Well, it didn't let us down. The wiper arm snapped off Friday night. So I was going over to the hospital, pick my dad up, and it was pouring with rain and wind, and it bloody sheared off. I think it's common on these. After so many years of use, there's a weak point there, so I've got a new one in, so I'll do a video in a bit of that, showing you how to change one. And that goes from like 2006 Audi Q7s up to like 2015. It might be a little bit beyond that, but yeah, that would be helpful for some of you. The question is, will she start? Let's have a look. 3, 2, 1. Yes! She started. Obviously pro mechanic. Know how to do a fuel pump. Right. We're in. So. Oh yeah, I've got your cards. This is the card. So we need to look to see what the fuses are what.
Instrument cluster.
Yeah.
10, 34, 43.
Basically the same as that video of that guy. We just watched a video on YouTube. I'll put a link on the video we just watched for that YouTuber. I can't remember his name, but yeah, we'll do that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 along from the bottom. 1, 6. It's a 5, is it?
Yeah.
You got some missing in there, you know. Right, and they all look fine.
Which he did in his thing, didn't he?
Yeah.
Just turn the ignition off again then.
I think he done it with it on, didn't he?
Yeah.
Turn ignition on then.
Right. I'll start the car up.
Yeah, yeah. Start it up. Yeah.
And you do it reverse order.
Well, the weight, yeah, start from where I've just taken it. Yeah, nothing. Turn it on and off. Oh, some lights.
Hang on.
Right.
I had an ABS come up then.
Go on then.
I should have more than that one.
Oh. Ah.
Take them all out again.
Did we do it with it not running then? Simple fix, they're all in, and turn it on and off again. Maybe it is that clock that's need repairing then. Yeah. Does the radio and that not work either then?
Actually, it's worse than it was before now.
Why?
Because I used to have 2 lights stay up on there. The radio's working.
Oh. Right, let's test this then. Right there, that's 13.8. 13.8. 13.8. So all good at the moment. We're going to scan it quick. I'll show you on the video what it does. I'll try and screen record it. Cool. So yeah, we're going to use that. It's the older version. So yeah, Karis, if you're listening, we wouldn't mind a newer version, please. But yeah, we'll see if this does anything for the E46 M3. So yeah, let's find the right. Let's find this bloody port wherever it is. We can't find it. It's fucking hidden. Oh, there's a flap there. Or was that an air vent? Fuck knows. Oh yeah, there it is there. I've got it. It's right there, everyone. It's right in front of me. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. There's a little thing there. Ding. Make sure I put it in the right way. Turn that round. Oh, it's flashing. We're on. There you go, everyone. We're in. Oh, bloody hell, we're in. We're on. Maybe just turn it off or just do it. Right, we're in. Diagnose. Hopefully it scans it. Basic OBD scan saying no faults. Bastard. So Karis is good. It works on my Audi, and that's 2000, early 2007. Well, 06, late 06, 2007. It works fine, and I can do customization. But on this 2003 E46, it did a basic scan, so everything was fine. But we're going to go and get a different OBD reader, and hopefully we can get in and have a look, see if anything comes up cluster. But it might not. It's worth a shot. But one of the subscribers said that it would be the instrument cluster, probably been sent off for repair. It's probably a bit of damp's got in there, and so we'll have to do it. I mean, it has got warranty on the cluster because it had a repair done quite a few years back, and it's lifetime warranty, but they might not warranty it due to, obviously it's just been sat for ages, but who knows, we'll only ask. But we're going to get this done, so yeah, I'll report back in a minute to see our other findings. It's a Top Dawn. Yeah, again, shout out to Top Dawn. If you want to support us, we're using your gear. We're not sponsored. This one's a bit better. This is a bit more professional. Karis is good, but it's quite smart when it does that. Reminds me of a fruit machine. Well, it's doing something more than the other one. So we are at 98, 100%. What have we got?
Rollover sensor. That makes those. There's two things in the back come up with explosives. If you roll over, that's the only thing it found. It's got no fault codes.
What a nightmare. We will get it done. Probably not going to get a roll in this weekend, but next weekend we're going to get a roll in back to my gaff. Then we can start detailing and do some quality little videos on that. Q7 wiper arm removal and refit. Get this done then. Should just, yeah, come off. This one's going to be tough. I might have to get my little puller thing. Wiper arm removal tool in the boot, but I must have left it at home, so my father-in-law's going to get his one out. So, get this new arm on. Put this in. Didn't have the tool, so I used a pair of these. Not the best thing to do. I had to put it underneath the metal bracket bit, underneath, and then that on top of the bolt. And then jim it up. Done. Let's get this shit on. Right, it's time up. Ringing day. We need a workshop. That's what we need. Let's have a look then. Come on, please. Yes. We're back in action. Got a bulb out again, apparently. Don't know why. Just replace that bulb. Just replace that bulb. What a nightmare. Really struggling at the moment. Playing up. This bulb's gone out, apparently. Well, change the fucking thing. Yes, we're back in action. I'll tell you something, with these Audis, if you ever do these bulbs, when you change them, obviously make sure the car's off. We get in the car and then lock it, then unlock it, then start it. You have to like reset the canvas. We're back in action. I'll just put the caps back on the front and we're done. So yeah, that is where it's sheared off. Look at that. And that's a cheap Chinese shit one, I think. I don't know if it's original, but hey, done. So the next project for next weekend, so we'll have another video out next Sunday. Trying to do them out release every Sunday. So it could be released midnight, 1 minute past midnight Sunday morning, or I don't know, 6, 7 o'clock Sunday. But we'll have another video out, and that will be us getting the clusters, well, the clocks out, the cluster out, because we reckon that it is something to do with that. But we could run a, what was it we're going to do? Run a new ground wire to it and hope that that works. We followed all the instructions on the video on YouTube from one of the YouTubers. I'll have to put his name on the screen now. He said about pulling fuses, which were for the cluster, which we've done it a few times, whilst the car was running, whilst it wasn't. As you can see, it didn't work. So yeah, next video will be clusters out, and also, are we going to get the car back to mine so I can start detailing it? Hopefully. So we'll do some shots, cinematic, bit driving up the road, etc. Anyway, take care. And also, if you can help us by subscribing, liking our videos, commenting, sharing, it helps us so much. We're trying to grow, and we'll hopefully give something back to you guys, giveaways, and maybe even give a car away later on. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.